Good Friday, Mt Saddleback in Tasmania's northeast. We're just going to see if the weather holds out. Come along for the ride. We've followed forestry roads up to the base of Mt Saddleback. This would be all eucalypt regrowth at this stage. The track is not well marked. Now we're on the climb proper into the rock scree. It's probably not the most ideal for the tooth fairy's recovering broken arm. It's pretty slow going. We're in the mountains and we've found some mountain peppers. These are absolutely delicious pepper replacement. Really fragrant, got a bit of spice to them. Absolutely love them in our cooking. Now we're into a shaly sort of rock section, which is really slippery underfoot, especially with the rain last night. On the way up, we're looking to the east over towards Scamander, Falmouth way. We've got Mount Albert and Mount Victoria just behind that little sapling, and the Mathina Plains. Now I've almost made it to the plateau. It's a bit of a hike across the plateau to the actual summit. After climbing up the rocky section across the plateau, now we're faced with the cloud that's blown in. Hopefully there's no rain in it. Right, that's it. After about an hour and a half climbing up the rocky section across the plateau, the wind blowing the cloud in, we've reached the top. We've had 5 leeches, 1 snake, and we're gonna enjoy some lunch. So that's it's one of the climbs in the Tasmania's northeast Highlands.